Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Hope you're having a good day. I got a nice one for you today. I got a 2011 Ford Escape XLT. Nice vehicle, kind of like a gunmetal blue. Nice big alloy wheels, running boards, roof rack, sunroof up there, privacy glass. Nice vehicle, flex fuel capable. Don't have to run it. Got a little hitch back here, probably to hook up a bike rack or something like that. Let's pop that trunk. Here's what I like. You can pop this glass open. You got some smaller items to stick in there. Or if you got some bigger stuff, you can reach down here and just pick that right up. Plenty of room back here. Those seats will fold down. You got a tonneau cover. Nice clean floor mats. Very nice clean car. No apparent damage around there, around the car. Panels are all clean. 11,000 miles. You got keyless access to the car. Also keyless remote for the back hatch. Let's check out the inside here. Ooh, nice ebony cloth. Good room back here. Cup holders for the rear. Power windows, door locks for the passenger. Nice sleek dash line. AM, FM, CD. Looks like a changer, and there's all your climate control. You got the Microsoft Sync, auxiliary input, automatic shift, more cup holders, radio controls on the steering wheel, cruise control on the steering wheel, power windows, door locks, and mirrors for the driver, auto headlights, fog lamps, power driver seat, nice big analog gauges, nice car. Don't forget about the sunroof. Hey, what's this one missing? You need to get down here and buy this one. Ask for Brad. I do a lot of work putting these on the internet for you, get you this information, so please ask for me. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.